Okay, so first of all, I'm going to set the BPM to about 150. Now I need a SICK DONK. So what I'm going to look through my SICK DONKS folder and find a SICK DONK that I like. Now I've got my SICK DONK, I need a kick, so I'm just going to chuck a nice chunky kick in. Next, I need a bass line for my SICK DONK. Quantize, and we're good to go. But hold up, we need that SICK reverse donk. Let's grab the SICK DONK from the SICK DONK folder and reverse the SICK DONK. Cut it down, line it up just before your SICK DONK hits, and we're good. I'm going to cut the low end out of it. And make sure you transpose it. I'm just going to tweak this SICK DONK. Sick. Let's get some hats. And another. Now let's get the clap. Standard clap on every second kick. Then I'm going to add a shifted snare clap thing and stick it on every fourth kick. Now we need a SICK loop. Very quickly add an exhaust and an uplifter. Slap on a sausage fattener to make the SICK DONK even sicker. Whoa, spicy. I'm going to shorten the kick on this build up so the kick is more effective on the drop. Then I'm going to filter in the SICK DONK. Some more fat sausage for the kick. Thumping. Slapping a crash. A little rearranging. Fuck it, more sausage on the hat too. And some delay, but only a bit of ping pong to widen the tops. Now some reverb, just slap a preset on and turn the wet down. And now to tweak this middle bit. Okay, the SICK DONK needs some reverb now. Just gonna bring up the dry, play with the wet. Let's automate it. Sick. Let's see what it sounds like.